Number practice, number 8. Let's start by tracing the number 8. This is a tricky number to make. We like to say that you are doing a lot of curves here, and the first curve you do is making the letter S. And then if you keep going all the way around, you will connect all your lines and make an 8. To show you this way though, in the class we've done where you make that letter S and then you just go straight up. So your 8 can have that straight part or the 2 curves. Okay, let's make an 8 on our own. The letter S, keep coming all the way around, or make it a little straighter where you make your letter S and then just kind of connect at the top there. Then you're going to write the number 8. So we're going to write the number 8. It is spelled E, straight out, up and around. I, a little dot, a G. Now a G is a letter we haven't had to write yet. So what we do is we start here in the middle and we make that super C, and then we jump to the top and we go down into the dirt and make that curve there. And H is a tall letter, it is straight line down, up and around, over, make that little hill there. And then a T, start at the top, straight down and go across. 8 is E-I-G-H-T. It does not sound like it's spelled. Okay, the E-I-G-H makes the A sound. All right, let's try to write the word 8 on our own. Okay, so we're going to write an E first. E, I. Now a G, remember, you're making that super C, connecting it, and then going down in the dirt. G, H, the tall letter, and T is a tall letter in the sky. So now you have in the grass letters, E-I, a down in the dirt letter, and 2 tall letters to practice writing across your line. Next, we're going to go on a number hunt. Let's go on the number hunt for number 8. We have 9, 25, 2, 4, 26, 8. Crazy 8. 13, 4, 0, 8. 1, 12, 3, 25. 3, 9, 21. 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 24, 8. Don't forget to name these numbers out loud. 0, 5, 4, 3, 20. 0, 5, 8. 16, 1, 8. 7, 19, 8. 10, 14, 9, 3, 0, 29. After your number hunt, you will do your name collection page where you look at ways to show the value of 8. Your picture today is to draw 8 spiders on the web. Now that's fun because spiders have 8 legs. So let's think about that. If we were going to draw a spider, we would have a body here and a little head maybe, and all those eyes a spider has, but you want 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's why it's fun that you have to draw spiders, because every time you draw a spider, you will represent 8, because spiders have 8 legs. Okay, now let's go up here and start with our tally marks like we normally do. We need to show 8 tally marks. 8 tally marks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we do for 5? Shut the door. And then 5 plus 3, so 3 more, 6, 7, 8. And that is how we represent 8 tally marks. Okay, let's show some different ways to make 8 today. Let's do a number problem here. Let's do 4 turtles were on the log, and then 4 more turtles came along. 4 turtles plus 4 turtles equals how many turtles altogether? 8 turtles. Okay, let's do dice. We could do 2 dice that equal 8. I might have a dice that has 6 on one of the faces. And if I have 6 on one of the faces, then I have to have 2 on the other face. Okay, and another way that I can do a number collection value would be dominoes. I could do a domino here. Let's make a domino. A domino is a large rectangle, and you cut the rectangle in half, and then the top and the bottom have to equal 8. So maybe I'm going to do 5 on the top. Okay, I want to have 5 on the top, and that means I have to have 3 on the bottom. 5 plus 3 also equals 8. There's lots of ways to make 8. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to do a subtraction problem next. So I'm going to start with 10. If I saw 10 fish in the pond, and then 2 of the fish swam away, I would have 8 fish left in the pond that I could see. 10 take 2 away equals 8. We can show that again like we always do with our tens grid that we can make. And so I just need to make it so that I have 5 across here. And then I need to separate. So I have 10 little boxes here. And then I need to represent 8 in the box. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make that 6, 7, 8. And there's actually more than one way you can show the 8 in the box. I could have done 4 and 4 and left 2 at the bottom open. So remember, lots of different ways to represent and show the value of 8 today. And so make sure you challenge yourself ways to name 8.